Hey, it's Nikki. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Today we're going to be doing corn with the Takis crust and corn in a cup. I think it's a great addition to your barbecue, especially for 4th of July because it's bright red and it just looks really good. So stay tuned and I hope you like the video. The recipe called for 1 pound of corn, so if you're using frozen corn, of course you want to warm it up in a saucepan or a pot. I did 4 cans of corn, and with the cream sauce, I will tell you, I wish I would have doubled it because I wanted it more creamier, but it's up to your preference. So I ended up using half of the pot of corn, maybe 3 cans, and then I warmed up the elotes for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so I got the Takis and I put it in the food processor. I'm going to have that ready. I'll probably just do little at a time. I'm going to use mayo because when you use mayo instead of butter, I feel like the Takis sticks to it better and it tastes better to me. So I just slide it all over, and I'll stick that part that's ready. And I did do a video on this already with my kids, but I just wanted to show you again in case you do see it. After we boil the corn on the cob, that's it. I take them out, wait for them to get a little dry. This was still in the water, so this one's kind of warm. I don't want it too hot because then the mayo will just melt. Rub it all over. Okay. I think the Takis just gets it on there so much better. You could put a little more on there if you want it really crispy, crusty. Okay, so I'm just going to do that to the rest, and the corn will be ready and heated up for the corn in the cups. Alright, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. Use this spoon to help me out here. And then 1/4 of a cup of mayo. Sriracha. Okay. You can do more sriracha if you really want it to have a kick. Really, it's your taste, your preference. Two tablespoons of sugar. I think I boiled too much corn. I think 2 cans of corn would have been okay, maybe 3. We'll see when we get there. I think 2 cans would have been better, so I'm just going to put half of this pot in there and mix it with that yummy sauce. Oh yeah. And you know what? I'm going to put some of this Takis in there. Wouldn't that be good? Let me get a bit. Oh yeah. This says it makes let me put more. 4 cups. Let me put some more. One more. So make it maybe 3 cans or maybe 4 cans was good enough. Anyways, 1 pound. If you get the frozen corn, it's on there, which I didn't even read. I didn't use a whole pot of corn because I wanted it to be more creamier, so next time I will double up on the cream sauce. And I didn't want to fill up the corn to the very top because I thought that was way too much corn for my preference and my family's preference anyway, so I just left it at half a cup. And here I'm just adding the chopped cilantro to it. I'm putting all the toppings on it now. Sprinkle some chili powder in there or whatever you want to use. Chili powder. I chose queso fresco for the topping because I love it. I love the way it tastes with the corn, the cilantro, the lemon that I'm going to add. You can add lime, but I'm more of a lemon lover, so I chose lemon to sprinkle all over it. But you can do, you know, lime or whatever your preference is that's going to make it taste good. Okay guys, so I have my corn on the cob and my corn in the cup already, and it looks really good. I didn't fill them up to the top because I didn't have that much corn, but I don't eat a lot of corn, and neither does my family. They do like corn in the cup though, but yeah, I think that's good for us. Anyways, if I need to make more, I will, but this is it. We're gonna cook up some burgers here in a bit, and this is gonna be one of the sides. So this is really quick. It really didn't take long to make at all, so I cannot wait to enjoy this. And I hope you guys liked the video. Sorry that it was kind of short and I'm all over the place, but like I said, I haven't been feeling good. My allergies are all over the place, and I just really wanted to get this out because I'm gonna make it, and I've been wanting to post a video on it. So I hope this helps you out and you get to enjoy it. Maybe make it on 4th of July.